Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the facial epilator that I use. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. I would so appreciate that. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and most of my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. So without further ado, let's get started. How do I remove facial hair? Yeah, that is the question. For a long time, I use what you call facial wax strips. The brand that I've been using for a long time is NADS, N-A-D-S, and I put a picture up here. And lately, I've been using a brand called Mazena, called Sensitive Facial Wax Strips. But what happened is, I think as we get older, our skin just become a lot more sensitive. And I get a little bit of redness and sometimes just cause a little bit of scratching on my skin. So I decided to try a facial epilator. It's the FaceSpa Facial Epilator. And inside there is a pouch like this for you to put all the instruments in. And if you open the pouch, the mechanism, and this is the epilator head, the cleansing brush and the massaging brush, or the revitalizing brush, skin revitalizing brush. You also get a mirror. The mirror has got a light in it. Yes. You also get a little brush. I find this very good for removing all the little hairs here in the epilators. I find this fantastic. I just use the brush and just clean. And now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the epilator. So make sure that your face is clean, just been washed, no oil or moisturizer. So straight when you come out of the shower. To attach the epilator onto this thing motor, you just remove this. So you remove that. And this is the epilator. And you attach this in here. See, that's attached very easy. There's some arrows. When the arrow is going up this way, that means the motor is going around this way. When the arrow going down, that means the epilator is going this way. So when you are doing your face, you want to go the opposite direction of your hair growth. So for example, this is really perfect for us ladies, the upper lip. So our upper lip hair tends to grow down. So I want my epilator to go up, to roll up. So you want to, again, so what I'll do is I'm going to turn this motor, go up. So now I can feel it. You feel it? Just try and get your skin a bit taut by, so the skin is nice and taut. And for this area, you can use your tongue to just taut the skin. So what I'll demonstrate. It's perfect for the little peach fuzz under my chin here. This epilator is just perfect for peach fuzz, those tiny little white hair that you don't usually see with your visible eyes, but with a magnifying glass and in the right lighting condition, you can see the little white hair. So again, do the same thing. The peach fuzz on the face, we tend to grow down. So you want your epilator to be moving up. So I'm going to turn it up. Yeah, so it's going up. And I'm going to go like this. This is my peach fuzz here. And you do feel it. I could feel the little pinching hair being pulled out. This is also perfect for some of us. We've got hair, little black hair around the eye area, just perfect for that as well. I feel it, but it's not screaming pain. I might just pull the big hair up, just hold the big hair up and go until here, around the sideburn here. Yeah, just hold the big hair up. So just pull the I just foam up my face with the fresh soy cleanser. This is one of the gentlest cleansers out there. Yeah, you can even foam it all over your eyes and it won't sting your eyes. So I've got that just bubble up, and I'm going to use the Braun face cleanser brush. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to put on the high. Especially it feels like I've got a massager on my face. It's actually quite a nice feeling. Yeah, very nice feeling. Go around the corner of my nose, you know, upper lip area. It's more enough, and the bristles are really soft, so it's not sharp at all. Yeah, I think it's giving my face a better clean than just me using my hands and, you know, scrubbing it in the shower. Yeah. So this is the Skin Vitalizer brush. It's actually a massaging brush to encourage more like serum absorption. So you just attach this into here, clicking noise, and then you attach this to the motor. So just start massage. My face is clean. I've been in the shower and washed off so my face is nice and smooth and clean actually. So you use this when your face is clean without any serum, because it really is, this thing is really more of a massager. So I'm going to turn it on. So it's really it really is a face massager. Yeah, I can feel the vibration on my skin, on my face. My verdict is I have so enjoyed using this. So enjoyed. It really is not painful. Yeah, if you have used facial wax strips like me, I find facial wax strip a lot more painful than this personally, because I find that each pull is actually quite painful. I find this, yes, depending which part of my face, I find this part quite tingling. I felt a little bit of pain. Parts this around my lip area. Not much pain around my sideburn area. I can even bring this really close, especially this is because the blades here, the epilator here is so small. I can get this really close into, I've got a lot of little black hair under my eye here. It's just so good for this area. I have even used this for my eyebrow. All I do is I just lift my eyebrow up and do this on the eyelid area here. Just be careful when you're putting this near your eyelashes. Make sure you put your finger to cover your eyelashes. Otherwise, it has caught one of my eyelash and that was painful. This is also perfect for getting rid of pitch fuzz. So I have really enjoyed using this, and I can throw this out. And I just find this much better. In fact, less painful. So easy to use. I only need to use this around 4 to 6 weeks, once 4 and 6 weeks. I purchased this from the Farmers Department store here in New Zealand. And for the FaceSpa Braun, this is $139, which is about $140. I just really love this product. I highly recommend it. It really is not painful. For me, for a scale of 1 to 10, around 3. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you haven't done so, kindly subscribe to my channel And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.